and welcome to the Intel Graphics Performance Analyzer's Quick Tip video series. This video will demonstrate how to use pause mode in System Analyzer, allowing you to pause at any point in the capture for further investigation over a specified time interval in minutes. While in System Analyzer, you can press the cog wheel to open the settings of the tool. You can alter the value next to the pause mode caching duration option to specify how many minutes of the capture you want to view while pause mode is enabled. To enable pause mode, press the Disable Real-Time View button above the metric visualization track. While in pause mode, you can zoom out to view the full cached capture by clicking the Full Zoom Out button. You can also zoom in on metrics you want to analyze further to observe regions where your application is performing poorly and view noticeable areas for optimization. If you're interested in learning more about other features in Intel GPA to find bottlenecks and areas of optimization in your games, continue watching our Quick Tip video series. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for new exciting GPA updates and get started optimizing your games today.